Hi, I'm Josh Fishman, president and owner of A. Fishman & Son Diamonds in New York. Welcome back to our Ultimate Diamond Education series. Today I would like to discuss with you an issue concerning diamonds which is often overlooked and misunderstood, but which can have a very large impact on the value and desirability of a diamond, and that is fluorescence. I'm going to discuss fluorescence from two perspectives. One, the GIA's educational material, and second, my own experience in dealing with fluorescence in buying and selling diamonds. An intriguing phenomenon of some diamonds is that they appear to glow blue, sometimes other colors as well, when exposed to invisible ultraviolet rays. This glow is called fluorescence. It lasts only as long as the diamond is exposed to ultraviolet rays. Let's first take a look at a GIA certificate so you can see where fluorescence is noted on that certificate. If you look closely at the bottom of this image, you will see under finish and below the word symmetry, the word fluorescence. In this case, this diamond has none, which means it has no discernible glow when looked at under ultraviolet lights. Diamonds can have faint, medium, strong, and very strong according to the GIA as well. In the past decade, approximately 25% to 35% of the diamonds submitted for grading exhibited some degree of fluorescence, but only 10% of those showed strength of fluorescence that could impact the appearance of the diamond. That is, strengths noted on the certificate as medium, strong, or very strong. Let's take a look at an image that the GIA provides of what a diamond looks like under ultraviolet rays between the various strengths of fluorescence. As you can see in this image, diamonds with none or faint fluorescence have very little impact on their appearance, while medium, strong, and especially very strong can have a significant impact when looked at under ultraviolet rays. For the overwhelming majority of diamonds, the strength of fluorescence has no widely noticeable effect on the diamond's appearance. In many instances, according to the GIA, observers tend to prefer the appearance of diamonds that have medium to strong fluorescence. My own feelings about that is that that issue is probably only relevant in cases of very, very poor color, dark diamonds, where the fluorescence will have an impact and make that diamond look whiter from the top. Because I can't imagine that being relevant for colorless and near colorless diamonds. But it would have a big impact on the desirability of a diamond in the MNO color. In some cases, some diamonds, according to the GIA, that have extremely strong fluorescence may appear hazy or oily. I'll discuss that too, because there are diamonds which may not have any fluorescence at all, which could appear cloudy, and that impacts the value and the desirability of the diamond. I'd like to turn now to my focus on fluorescence and what it means in the diamond buying process. There are three impacts that I'd like to focus on. The first is, what impact does fluorescence have on the diamond appearance? Second, what is the impact that fluorescence can have on the grading of diamond color? And third, what impact does fluorescence have on pricing of a diamond and the impact that has on value that you may be looking at? So I'd like to focus on them one at a time. What is the impact of fluorescence in a diamond is not necessarily a positive or a negative. It depends. A diamond where the fluorescence makes the material look hazy or cloudy is a big negative in that diamond. On the other hand, you can have a diamond with no fluorescence at all, in which the material of the diamond, the crystal, is cloudy or hazy. In addition, you can have a low-color diamond, LMN, where a medium or strong fluorescence will make that diamond look a little whiter on the top. can have a positive impact in allowing a customer, a buyer, to get into a diamond at a lower price and yet still have an attractive looking diamond. On the other hand, in a very high color, colorless or near colorless, that can have a very negative impact on the value of the diamond. How do you know the answer to whether it's positive or negative? Patience will be rewarded when I get to the end. Next, what is the impact of fluorescence on the grading of color by gemological laboratories? Fluorescence is supposed to be just a characteristic to help identify a diamond and not impact the color grade given by the grader at the gemological laboratory. In practice, very often, a grade of a diamond which is lower on the color grade scale, like J or K, but which has medium or stronger fluorescence, can get a higher grade. This is a misleading grade. It's not an appropriate grade. What it does to you, the buyer, is create danger when you're looking at a diamond because of the valuation that that diamond may have and the price it may carry. I will get into that in a moment. How can you tell whether a diamond is a true color or a color influenced by the fluorescence? Again, let's have a little patience, and I will get to answer that question as well. Lastly, how does fluorescence impact the price and value of a diamond? I just finished discussing with you the fact that laboratories, including the GIA, can overgrade a diamond which has fluorescence. So that, for example, a J-colored diamond, which would be graded based on the look of that diamond from the back, from the bottom of that stone, but which is given a higher grade because it's a little whiter on top, and given the higher grade of, let's say, a G or an H, is priced as that higher color, you will overpay for that diamond. You won't know it until you try to sell that diamond, and an expert diamond buyer who buys inventory will look at that diamond out of the mounting, beyond the certificate, beyond the 4 C's, go look at that video, and will offer you a price based on what he sees the diamond as, the lower color diamond. He's not going to price it higher because it has that G or an H on the certificate. You will have overpaid for that diamond. The flip side of that is, let's say that that price of that diamond is priced as the lower graded diamond, the J, but it has a certificate H. You're going to think that you got one hell of a deal. You bought an H-colored diamond at a very low price. The fact is, you didn't buy an H-colored diamond. You bought a J-colored diamond at the right price for a J. If you are told that the price is based on a J color and that the H is a result of the fluorescence, then you've been told the truth and you can make the decision for yourself whether or not you want to buy based on grade or based on substance. But if you're not told that that diamond is priced based on its true intrinsic color, you're going to think that you've got a big deal and you have been taken advantage of instead. So in both of those cases, you're at risk unless you know how to discern the difference. Now, I've asked you to be patient about how to go about getting these answers. And here I'm going to tell you. You need expert help in all of these cases to understand what it is that you're looking at. Buying a diamond online where you don't know the diamond, where you can't see the diamond, where the seller of that diamond doesn't own it, he's just downloaded inventory, is not going to allow you to make that decision. On the other hand, buying a diamond from someone who owns his own inventory and who can look at that diamond and who you can trust for his honesty as a proven track record in dealing with these issues, that is when you can find out whether or not you're buying the right diamond at the right price and be told the truth. So the best advice I can give you is see an expert diamantaire. Talk to an expert diamantaire. Someone like I am at A. Fishman and Son. We've been buying diamonds for 65 years. since 1947, and we understand the ins and outs of all of these factors, not just the 4 C's, but fluorescence too. If you go to someone like me or someone similar to me, you will be assured that you will have the right diamond at the right price, and you'll understand what it is that you're buying. Don't rely on online sites that cannot look at the diamond for you. Very interesting issue, very dangerous issue, but something that you should be aware of. That's it for now. I'll be back to you soon with another diamond education item that I think is important. In the meantime, look at our earlier videos on diamond education. Have a great day. See you soon. Take care.